Okay, anytime you're working with an end grain, such as this right here, I know there's a split right there. I'm not really too worried about that because that's going to be against the wall. But anytime you're working with end grain, what I like to do, because it's like little straws in there, it's very porous. It'll suck up all your glue, okay? So what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of glue on there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open that crack up just a little bit. Let some of that glue fall down in there like that right there. But what I like to do is I like to go ahead and put a real thin coat of glue on that. That way it can go ahead and the grain can go ahead and suck that glue in. And then when it dries, it'll give you a little bit more of a bonding surface for your glue when I do glue it along the rail. So thank you for watching my video on the cleat wall. As you can see, it's finished. Got some pieces right here that I'm going to use when I make my tool holders. When I was editing the video, somehow I lost the footage of me making the actual cleats. What I did is I ripped them down 6-inch wide pieces. Then I cut those in half on a 45. Gave me 3-inch wide cleats. What I did is I took and I set my cleat wall from bottom to top, right there, 8 inches, okay? So there's 5 inches of clearance between the bottom and here. That way it gives you plenty of room to lift your cleat in and out. Plenty of room there to hold your tools and whatever you're gonna put on your cleat wall. If you like videos like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all on the next one.